Namaskar. On behalf of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, I wish our taxpayers, the Aikar Parivar, and all the stakeholders of the Income Tax Department a very happy new year. 2022 is here, the 75th year of the independence, celebrated as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. 2022 is also the 60th year of the Income Tax Act. On this momentous occasion, the Income Tax Department reminds itself of the transformational journey that it has embarked over the last 2 years. Through several structural and organic changes, the department has entered a phase of reform aimed at easing tax compliance, delivering quality services. Income Tax Department, through its reform agenda, is ushering in a new era of technology and data-driven tax administration. Department has strived to keep up with the aspirations of the taxpayers, big and small. This endeavor has thrown several administrative, logistical, and technological challenges to our officers and staff. As we continuously navigate and negotiate through these, we pledge to not lose focus of the goal to make compliance simple and quick. If direct tax collections are any indication, a phase of sustained recovery of the economy is underway. We have not only seen growth of more than 53% in cumulative advance tax collections till the third quarter of the financial year 21-22 over the same period of financial year 2021, but as we speak, we are seeing before our own eyes the highest direct tax collections of all previous years. We are also seeing the best ever tax buoyancy amongst all previous years. It would not have been possible without the honest and timely compliance by our taxpayers in areas like payment and filing. I congratulate the taxpayers for this contribution to nation building. I would also urge them to make those timely compliances for the next 3 months of this financial year. These achievements would also not have been possible without the untiring and determined efforts of our officers and staff, even in the face of infrastructural and logistical challenges. I commend all of you for your efforts, and I also exhort you to continue on the path to exceed the targets set for us while attending diligently to the area of taxpayer services. 2022 is going to be a milestone year for the Income Tax Department. It's an opportune moment for all of us to reassess and re-examine our role in enhancing and strengthening the financial and tax literacy of the country. We need to step up our outreach programs. In this regard, our field formations led by our able PCCITs must take inspiration from Mulaqat, a taxpayer outreach program conducted by the department in the Union Territories of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh recently. Inspired by the advice of the Honorable Finance Minister, officers of the Income Tax Department visited 23 districts of both the Union Territories, meeting and hearing out taxpayers, professionals, business and trade organizations, entrepreneurs and students alike. The program has set a template for instilling trust and inspiring faith in the department's efforts at reaching out and easing our tax compliance. If replicated across the country in the right spirit, followed by proactive redressal of the grievances received, exercise would reap rich dividends in stimulating taxpayer morale. Let us all join our hands in fulfilling our dream of Atmanirbhar Bharat by discharging our responsibilities in a fair and fearless manner and doing our best in this period of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Let us lay the foundation stone for 2047 by making our workforce competent and knowledgeable, widening and deepening our tax base so that we contribute more and higher towards the country's development. With this, I once again wish everyone who has joined today a very happy new year, and I wish all of you the very best in your endeavors. Jai Hind.